log in another account in Instagram, the first thing you want to do is open the Instagram app on your device. Now, if you want to log in to another account, then all you need is your another account's credentials. Now, go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now, scroll all the way down. Here, you will find the option of Add Account. Go ahead and select that. Now, if you already have an existing account, select Log into Existing Account. If you want to create a new account, simply tap on Create New Account option. Now, in order to log into your existing account, you want to enter your username, email address, or mobile number in the first box. After that, go ahead and enter your password on the second box. Then tap on the Login option. Now you will be successfully logged into your another account, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.